Hi guys, Alan from Amigo Wraps. So this week, mad week. Fiesta, as you've just seen, been and gone. Full wrap on that. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, bank holiday, and then obviously Tuesday and Wednesday to get it done. Colour is absolutely amazing. Customer ended up deciding to go spoiler painted gloss black to go to the roof, and then we're doing some custom graphics in the blue for him on top. Mark's just died by the sound of things. He's going to fit a splitter and the side skirt extensions tonight. Looking forward to seeing that. I do believe that's going to the wheel specialist meet this Saturday, so anyone want to check it out, have a little look. In terms of the rest of the week, Mark's now detailing a brand new Porsche Macan, and that's having a full ceramic treatment, wheels, engine bay, the paintwork of course, everything's being treated, and it's going to look awesome and stay protected for a long period of time now. Have a little look at that, see how Mark's getting on with it. See you next week.